Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. Today is really quick and easy day, and it is another vintage treat box. But this one is so good. Yeah, these are so good for like co-workers, and they fit the Ghirardelli. You can put the minis, the big ones. You could probably stick like the little packets of like Reese's Pieces like this one. This would probably fit in there because it's about the same width. You could have to squeeze it in a little bit, or the fun size M&Ms, anything like that. But I did put Ghirardelli's in this one. It also will fit a Hershey's bar, but you will have to keep it open. You won't be able to tie it, but if you want to do that, you can still add your little sentiment on the bottom here or whatever. And I did add a little rusted bell to this one. I ordered these online, and I'll try to find them and link them in the description. They are so cute and they jingle, and I thought it'd be perfect for this vintage look. So it does also fits the regular Hershey's, but like I said, you can't tie it off because they will stick out a little bit. So this is what I'm sharing. So another one with this vintage paper. I love this. I think it's called Sentimental. Let me grab it. It's called Sentimental Christmas, but you saw me do the one last week with this paper. Y'all, I've been hoarding it, but I'm using it. I'm going to use it because if I don't, I'll just sit and look at it. I think this is adorable. You can do it with any of these papers, but I chose this one with the trees on it. This reminds me so much of when I was growing up. It's probably showing my age, but I don't really care. I love this style and this one. So Stampin' Up! Does give to charity for this, and I'll put it in the description if I can remember how much it is to charities, but it's quite a bit. And then this one's a great one for scrapbooking. And also the back of the one that I used, let me see, not the back of that one, but the back of this one right here. It is great as well for scrapbooking because look at that. Isn't that pretty? But yeah, every one of these is good, both sides. It's so pretty, and look at the candles. So this is what I'm sharing. It's really quick and easy. So let's get started. I am using for this one the Christmas labels because yes, these are all like vintage looking to me, and it goes perfect with this box. And it does have the labels, dies, and I'm using this one here. I already cut it out in our basic beige. And we are going to stamp that with the Be Merry, but you can use, there's other sentiments that you could use on here. I'm using Early Espresso. So we'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll be ready to put that box together. So we're going to do the Be Merry, and I love the writing. It is perfect for this vintage look. I'm also taking my little sponge dauber, and this is just what's left on here, and I'm just going to kind of dark. Oh, why does that look like it's green? Let me ink this up a little bit. I didn't want it to be the green showing up on it. So I don't know why it even has green on it. So I'm just going to darken the edges of it. On the other one I did it super light, and I like the look of that better. But it's okay since I messed up that end a little bit. It's going to be just fine. Alright, so the piece that you're going to need is 6 by 6.5, so you can make 2 out of a 12 by 12 sheet. We're going to score this, and I always mention this because it's important when you're scoring on designer series paper to use the thicker ball on the stylus. So on the 6.5 inch side, you're going to score it at 1/2, at 1, 3.5, and 4. And then you're just going to turn it on the bottom. Make sure your pattern, if it's directional, you score on the bottom part. And this is just 1/2 here. This is even really cute for a teacher. Yeah, we're going to cut it on this side because I can see it a whole lot better. So I am cutting this little corner off because this is our glue tab right here. And then on this, you're just going to cut them to the first score marks. This is the bottom part of our box. There's nothing to cut up here. And then just cut into these. You can make a lot of these, and they're great for little gifts. Nursing homes, I know a few of you had said you do them for nursing homes, and y'all, thank you so much for doing that. I did it a lot when my mom was in one. I'd bring stuff to them, and they really do get a kick out of it. And someone had just mentioned it, and I really want to get back into it. My sister and I'd make them, and we'd take them over there. And I really, really want to do that again this year. It's been such a busy year. I just got back from Tulsa with my kids and my grandson. He's playing hockey, so they had games there in Tulsa. All right, so I am going to use some Stampin' Seal, and just on that edge, that 1/2 inch there. And that's our glue tab. And then we're just going to line these up. But yeah, it was such a fun weekend. I don't see my kids that much, and they live very close to me. But it's because my grandson's on 2 hockey teams. And one is a travel team, and they travel all over. And every weekend it seems like they're gone somewhere. And I mean, not just locally travel, but like they've been to Minnesota and St. Louis and all over. So, and I haven't gone to any of those, but Tulsa was close, and it was only a 5.5 hour or 4.5 hour drive. So I was like, I'm going with y'all. So it was fun to watch him. It's always fun to watch him play, and when they win, it's even more fun. And he played so well this weekend. So yeah, I just love going to watch him. He's on the high school varsity team, hockey team too, but their games are really late at night now because they're the oldest, and so I don't always get to go. Some of them are like at 9 at night, y'all. I don't know why they do that with the kids when they got school the next day. I don't know, I guess I'm just old-fashioned, but all right, so there it is. It's all together. All you're going to do here is just pinch the very top right there. Don't pinch it all the way down, just the very top. Let me grab, I got these Ghirardellis. I just got these because they just came back out. So I'm going to see how many I fit. I think I fit 3 in that one, but they'll fit in here really good. I think you could fit even more. I think I could fit 1 more. But I'm not going to squeeze it in there because I want to put a little hole in the top, put our sentiment on, and yeah. I'm going to use my smaller hole punch. So this is the 1/8 inch. I got one linked in the description, but I really like the smaller holes. It just looks neater to me. So I am going to use this cream ribbon we have here. It's really pretty. And I'm going to use that for the top. And we're going to tie it off with the red and white baker's twine. I just like it. I think it looks neater than that really big hole. And if you're doing them for like a craft fair or anything like that, I think it looks more professional. Y'all, that's another thing I'd really like to do. I'm just so busy now with working out of the home again, and gosh, it's just a lot, y'all. Doing Stampin' Up is my I do it full time too. Yeah, so I'm going to do a double bow on here. Oh, let's grab I need to punch a little hole in this one too. No, not that one. And then we are going to string this on here. And the little bell, you can use regular bells. The other bells you can get at like Hobby Lobby or Michael's or anything like that. I brought all of them out here. I have silver, I have gold, and I have the rusted one. And I love these rusted ones. They're so cute on projects. And I've used them quite a bit on doing other Christmas projects, not paper crafts, but so I'm going to just string this through there. See if I can get them both through at one time. I couldn't last time, not this time either. There we go. So I'm just going to string that on there. Tie a knot here, and it's easier when I tie a knot and then pull it over. If I had 2 more hands, it'd be perfect. So I'm just going to, oh, what happened here? Let's see, let's get that on there the right way. You got my knot going the wrong way. Okay, there we go. I'm going to tie this one more time. That's why I didn't take it apart, because I tied it a couple times. Let's see if I can do it without, though, tying it a couple times, because it'd be easier for someone to get it off. Let's see if I can just get my bow made here and if it'll work this way. I think it will. I tied one more to really tighten it down, but oh, it's going to work that way. So let's pull that ribbon straight. Get these fixed up. I'm probably going to use these for my co-workers. Cut these a little bit shorter. I think the gold bell would be really cute too. I don't care that much for the silver, but I think the gold one would be pretty too. So there you go. It's all done. Isn't it quick and easy? But look how cute they are. And you can do every pattern in this paper and either side if you want to, but aren't they cute? I hope you enjoy it. I hope you give it a try. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and please share. And there also will be an inspiration sheet on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com, and you can download and print it with the measurements for all my projects. Have a blessed one, everyone. Thank you for taking the time to watch. See you later, everyone. Bye.